gentlemen, welcome to my today's live section. Welcome everybody. Bishmoney, not bush money. Bishmoney, not bush money. Guys, and I'm live here. And I'm live on my YouTube. Let's go. Got YouTube, Bishmoney. Got Bishmoney one on our YouTube or Bishmoney. And I'm live here. First live in Ghana YouTube. Yes. Today I gave me a lot of program today. We'll be talking about many things today. So guys, join in. BK now, but make sure you're sharing. Make sure that you're sharing. I just love your live stream. Thank you so much. Guys, all my followers, everybody now follow me from the depth of our heart. Everybody now support name. I really appreciate you guys. We keep on making this movement to go further or get big. Without you guys, I'm nothing. So keep on sharing. On the KJ, God's power. Welcome. Can recognize our viewers. I'll just call you by name. Amalachi Juliet. Welcome. Some names are Molom. Guys, subscribe to my YouTube. Go to my YouTube and subscribe. I'm with so many things about updates. I'm with so many things. Because but now join. Program tag about 3 hours program or 2 hours 30 minutes program. Or ya kaka, or 2 hours program. So, but any which one, we are going to make use of it. We are going to pass a lot of information. I got the very entertaining. For some of you people, I'm working with my comic side. I'm my papa and my try can be too much. Because then a comment section, and they like a can and they like a can. What do you think? Her life unu like on Kenji Moyeme, on Kenna Bamo, Conke Natimbu. I want to see your opinion. Can you go do your opinion? While we are waiting, we are going to invite. Okay, now the mixture. People like it, the mixture. Okay, let's go. So, guys, today, first of all, I want to show you guys if one of our followers in Ijele clothing from China. Send them package. I want to share it with you guys. So, Ijele clothing, package, onion package, like 2 package. So, they just brought me these clothes, I want to appreciate Ijele clothing for this, Ijele clothing just send me here. A dispatch rider just brought it for me, It's looking good. I like him big t-shirts, big polo, and the quality, the man. Ijele clothing, life I'll just cut it and try to appreciate him. So, I'm going to make a video for Ijele clothing and I'm going to tag him. Guys, it's good to be good though. I'm welcome to Bish Abugokweli. Oyane gift, like, so watch out. Bish is going to wear it. Near the black one. So the black one, I so much love the black one. I like it plain, but they the So guys, when you support what Ijele clothing. All this one of our brothers in Camp Bogotembosia, not China. He just showed me love, like seriously, guys. This t-shirt, some of the clothes, the black one, the nice, who like, and don't stretch, like, I love it. Okay, because Keneli no me Ijele tag ya ni Ijele clothing, like, he's a very good guy. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my today's live section. Oga Kaka. If you are joining, Biko, I got the very straightforward in the name. Today I got Nigeria versus abroad, because the cost of living in Nigeria, some people can afford it, most people cannot afford it. To be honest, thank you guys so much. The cost of living in Nigeria, some people can afford, why some people cannot afford it. In the YouTube, thank you so much guys for joining, because share no the live. In the YouTube, thank you. I will 6 people on YouTube for the first time. Wow, that's awesome. Our followers are everywhere now. Our followers are everywhere. We're going to count each step I need to take. We're going to count it as a big milestone, as a big blessing. I need to tell by a video. We started from nothing. Now we are getting to somewhere. Okay, biko obu na okwu gị gbashiri ike, obu na okwu gị gbashiri ike, obu na okwu gị gbashiri ike, achọrọ m ka inye anyị cost of living ebe ị nọ. Achọrọ ka mmalụ ebe ị nọ. What is the cost of living ebe ị nọ? Ụmụ nwaanyị na-emekwa na warm up maka matchmaking. Enwere ike ime 3 persons matchmaking today, but we are going to try to. Achọrọ m ka m bugote some people. What do you guys think? Biko achọrọ m ka my comment section gwa m unu achọrọ ka m mee teaching. Enwe teaching emebe. Unu achọrọ ka m mee teaching ka esi eli ego na street, ka ọmụ bugote people ka ekwu okwu. Achọrọ m ka 5 people gwa m your opinion from the comment section. Unu achọrọ ka m mee teaching emego m street, akọwago m street, emego m my personal experience. Unu achọrọ ka m mee teaching ihe most of our people abroad. The real thing is most of our people abroad. Bring up people. Okay, people say mo bring up people. Ndị YouTube na asị m bring up people. Kedu ihe ndị TikTok na-ekwu? Kedu ihe ndị TikTok na-ekwu? Or mo bring up people. Ka ọmụ gaa n'ilu. Yes. Bring up people. Bring up people. 2 persons say bring up people. Bring up people. Okay. Teaching. Bring up people, Kalis, we're teaching. Oh. Bring up people. All right. Okay, we're going to bring up people. Guys, Kyla for teaching for now. Yeah, I go with my followers. Okay. So I get Bugote people. But meanwhile, because Obuna Ebe not the very noisy. Guys, now double tap on this life, now share on this life. Continue to share this live. Continue to double tap this live. Obuna ebe no the noisy. Biko, don't send the request. Obuna ebe no the noisy. Don't send the request. Onye na-ede na hook up the available. Idekwe hook up the available ọzọ mblock woye. Ịmala ebe wụrụ alụ je ka echela akwa gị. Ebe abụla ebe eme hook up. Ebe abụla ebe achọ client. Biko ịmala ebe wụrụ alụ ije chela akwa gị. Idekwele ne hook up available ọzọ mblock woye. Je ka ịmali page ndị ye je chọ client. Ịman chọkwa client ebe a. Ịman gbakwa akwụna na my comment section. Ekwuchekwa eme column. Okay, guys, biko na double tap on this live. Share this live. Ka I want more people. Ka people join here. Let's go. Let's bring up the likes. Ka I bugute the likes. Ka I share the live. You know, ka I share the live. You know, so many people are Watalana. It takes a lot to be where we are today. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with 1 step. I get Bugote people. I'm going to create a box. And when they send the request, it was soon ya show. Beach, come Bugote Kibia, come back in your moon. Can you come back? Kinyam client. Michael, Kekime. Yeah, you want a camera. I'm sorry. Oh.
Sorry.
You were Wenegi. My brother, you were Wenegi. Guys, I go moon because only people who gonna bring it up so on camera. Only people who gonna bring it up so on camera. You want to go? Only people who gonna bring it up so on camera. Send a line request. Ebo all over the world. Send us requests. Actually, okay, congratulations. Send request. Kambugote congratulations. Ebo I how is the cost? or the really height. Congratulations, see camera again.
Okay. Now, can you see me?
Yes, I know. Forget. Neke kime.
My mom can pull out of topic or something. I just want to discuss a little bit. I don't know how to talk to you apart from here, like a bit about Israel.
Mba.
Oh, because
Mba.
that is interested. Being interested.
Mba. Topic today. But tell me here.
I'm just one more thing to connected with you. Some night Gabi.
Tell me here. Follow Gongi. Thank you so much. Follow Gongi now. Tell me here. Guys, because everybody stay on topic. Stay on topic. Please. Mother send a request. Be another thing. I don't do that. I may work sometimes, but my anger management therapy, almost 2 million naira. I don't want to lose that money. Actually, that money me tampolo. My therapist now all cost 2 million naira to do anger management. Teaching is better. I'm going to actually teaching is better. I'm not teaching. Check and check where man and when did it. I'm a when indeed. I'm a when did you can see me. Guys, double tap on this live. I'm going to bring up people. Bugote people.
Hi, Bishmoney.
Ime.
I'm fine. You?
Odemwa. I woke for matchmaking kind of met today.
I don't understand.
Okay.
Which one is that?
Okay.
When did you think that of me matchmaking?
Okay. Oh, yeah, say it here, camera. Say it to your camera, let's go. Kebine Jesse.
I'm just coming back from work and I saw you like I said,
Guys, double tap on the Canada the first person on a Canada network, which is Somina. The first. Okay.
No, I have network. I have network. It's just because I'm downstairs. Like I'm going up. That's why.
Suvi Igbo, Chisomina na asu Igbo. IT promote asụsụ Igbo.
Nna Bageno, I got some butter from Olo. So Nna Bageno, right? So yeah.
Nne kedu ọrụ utile ọrụ ị na-alụ na Canada?
What did you say?
Kedu utile ọrụ ị na-alụ na Canada? Kedu utile ọrụ ị na-alụ na Canada?
I work as a supply chain analysis.
Supply chain analysis.
Yeah.
Onye na-alụ utile ọrụ ahụ ị na-alụ, ọ ya egonwu moto na Canada, ọ ga na-agbanwu moto na Canada?
It's just depending on how you save.
And with some people now saying that Canada the expensive to live. Canada or the expensive to live. Guys, double tap on this live. Cause a lot could double tap one. Okay. Chisomina, all the cake can be busy. It can be busy a little bit. In Alutego? On your position or your camera? Can I not forget of one?
Position.
I not forget. In a shake, in I thought Chisomina, you need him for just focus war. Kedivi ito kaina afu o alugi ni ne ke ito kaina afu sauce ilugi.
Sauce ilu.
Aya sauce ilu kai kwole ya kama ka sauce ilu. Nne onwe ya ichi ejuta gi ichi ime comparison like this na na-ekwu okwu now. That Canada you know now. Canada or the expensive mmadụ live your daily expenditure. I compare na mgbe nọ Nigeria. Canada na Nigeria kedu ebe ka dị expensive? Canada or can Nigeria be expensive?
Yeah. Yes.
You mean India?
Which one? Yes, no. No, how will you be comparing any Western world with Nigeria? I put no house rent every month.
Yes.
So guy self a bit like I put a bit to go every other aspect.
Okay.
And then insurance, tax. No. Okay. It's more expensive.
Okay.
It's more expensive.
What about African food? African food, dear. African food in Canada.
It's very, 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 very expensive. Wicked people.
Some of them knock on a comment section. Ikwakwava wicked. Okwa akushin leshi yini. Okay. House rent in aku ego ne ke na aku ke otilo na ibini ya ososo gi bi na apartment. Ko in a share, ibi na share the apartment.
So it be na 2 bed, 2 bath, right? And the 2 bed, 2 bath is 1,000, almost 2,500
a month.
So yeah, without utilities. Utilities are quite included. That's water, electricity, internet, and security. Are not included. So it included is almost 2.5 or 2.4, depending on the tunes we manage.
Obele mwa de ka na aku 2,500 every month.
No, I split it. In split is a 1,003 my share or 1,250.
Okay, onye ozo be na the other side.
Yes, it's a 2 bed, 2 bath. Like, I'm not the master's bedroom. Then because I'm in a room care with bedroom care. So just my room and my washroom.
Nne Canada ị na-ekwu okwu ikwulu okwu security. Una na-akwụ ụgwọ security. Ndị iwe na a na-enwe insecurity. A na-anọkọta gụgbalụ mmadụ pali agbawo.
Yes, so very well in my city, yes.
Hey.
And Ebim na downtown. So ndị na-akpọ junkies dị too much. So finally the sense if I na-eme onwe ike kịta ị na-aga ofu onye star bụ oge. So you have to be very careful.
Okay. Nne eti no Canada now. Ịghọtago ego one ka mmadụ ga na-eme ekinwu in a month na Canada.
And how depending on
few day no now. You know 5,000 Canadian every month.
Yes, so yes. But normally the minimum wage should be 40 hours. Should be like 2.6, 2.5. Minimum wage 40 hours a week. But a hustler like us. Do you understand? We are everywhere. We don't just depend on one place. So hustlers download like let's say 85 hours in a week. So you don't 85 hours in a week. You can make more than that.
You know 85 hours in a week. Wow, that is a lot of hours.
Yes, so it's a lot, but in order to maintain the lifestyle and to save, you have to work hard.
Hey, how many hours can I do a week? How many hours can I do a week?
Like me, sometimes 65, sometimes 75, depending on my strength.
65 hours. That is approximately 9 hours every day.
But the bad thing about it, is the government over.
Hey. Okay. Double tap all on this life. Everybody
Yes, because
share this life.
minimum hours is very low as a woman being with any company about 40 hours. So you look earlier and the government, why are they tax refund? It's saying they are looking in the fogo.
Okay, because Nelolo extra hours.
Ilo more than yes. So there's no tax refund for you.
There's no tax refund for you. That extra hours, atas egenimie, and with us anakuna that extra hours.
Yes, now the more hours the more tax get increase. So I think is 75 hours, tax get increase by 2. Then they're collecting it now. The man have found with sense.
How we sense you? Okay, it's not average person, average, unskilled, unprofessional, an average Nigerian non Canada, or they making 4,000 Canadian dollars in a month. Average.
Yes. More than one job. Now 3. And now 3 different jobs. Now look part time at 3 different companies. You can make more than that. Can even make more than.
People now more than 2 jobs in Canada.
Yeah. Some people used to do like 4.
Hey,
Like I'm coming back now. Some people will be going to another place after this one. After this one, they will start going from this one now. And from there, maybe Fana like 3 hours or 4 hours sleep.
Okay, that means Kezika their normal life, social life. How is social life in Canada? How is dating life?
It's very boring. Can't you see? Me now, it's just us some more and no. And also on no. They are made TikTok.
Hey! Now na konjia na atakwa gị n'ime Canada ahụ nọ.
Ọ bụ na ị nwere enyi nwoke konjia ma na-ata gị, that's ọ bụ na enyi gị nwoke nọ nso. Mana ọ bụ na ọ nọ fa konjia lata gị.
Chisomina wotego di ilu yi ka ai nene na Chiso comment section. Cheli ka ai jụọ ndị comment section. Ndị comment section biko Chisomina konjia na atia. Chisomina pati ilu yi ọ dị ka onye konjina. Chisomina pati ilu yi mma akụwakwa di fonu. Mma akụlikwe fonu.
Full of evidence. Ọ bụ na konjia na lata mmanụ nwere pimples.
Konjana atan Chisomina in the comment section. What can call ya kana konjina ata na Canada. Share this life. Everybody share this life. Eti no na gemonte. Nwoke no ne na agbado gi na ede. As ndị ba anyị ị na-aga ndị ba anyị na-agbado nwaanyị etu esi eme na Nigeria. Hello, fine girl, how are you? Call everything online.
Sometimes, like let's say, obuno in a month, maybe madi bom or madi to. Obulo like obulo normal thing.
Hey.
Or just online.
Compliment ine enwetekwe n'ụzọ ke ndị na compliment. Hey, fine girl, like ke ndị na-enye compliment more on ndị ọcha. Kondi India, anum na ndị India kalidia. Ondi India na agbado Igbo. Chisomini ikwetego onye India oye since ebia na Canada.
No.
Wezu okwu.
Mba now, I'm face leaky.
Hey, besi gejime. It's no dogu. Kegi si mwale, kegi test go.
Ndị ụmụ nwanyị fa na-ekwu.
Ụmụ nwanyị fa na-ekwu na be esili ike. Chisomina roommate yo nwoke ka nwanyị. Roommate yi.
Oh nwanyị.
and ịṅụrụ iyi na roommate ọzọ iyi enwe anya azụkwa awụ nwaanyị na nwoke ka iyi enwezi as roommate.
Who's the roommate in Chancha? Move out by next month. I just made you release or some. So as a big girl, you understand?
A na-eme hook-up na Canada. Enwe ụmụ nwaanyị abanye na-eme hook-up na Canada.
Yes, now. Oh, yeah.
Hook-up.
But like, it's not a normal thing, no. Like, maybe 5 or told in Nigeria, I'm a Nigerian normal. Like, God, the normal. But whatever, they're normal. You're not even allowed. Government notice you know any. They might charge you or something. So they used to hide it.
Online dating on Agafia na Canada. Online dating.
I don't know. Let me just tell you the truth. I'm alone because I've never had interest of going online dating. It's just on TikTok that I am active.
Ndi YouTube. She alone this life. Ndi YouTube. Asomi womola ka piawa phone. Ndi YouTube. She alone this life. She alone this life. Chisomina. Kedi easy way now apart from school. Onwe mbochi ikwulu okwu kedi easy way now ndị ba ga-esi bịanwu Canada.
Source of school.
Source of school.
As of now.
As of now.
School would be the easiest way. Easy. Of course, easy. Easy way is school. Mana, even now, school is difficult too. Requirements is too much. But not but the easiest way. And fast.
Fast.
Give you, I mean, I'm bending your face, as long as you go, now I'm not accept to go see so. It's them get an ye go, and you might accept. You see, you go, be accept more.
Yes, you may go, can make your acceptance immediately.
And in Canada.
Guys, you share this life.
I told you that it's Konji that spoiled my face. It can't do. In the comment section, now you came in the room. Oh, Konji.
Oh, Konji me lilu now. You mala no find get ka Chisomina o. Okay, Chisomina. Enwe ihe nchi ejugi na. Yotago. Ke the nearest country country na Canada now. Ke nearest country. Enwe woman ga viral. Osi no ji up we bia Canada. Amam na ifu the video. Yes, this thing or the realistic. Na mmadụ ga-eji country by country mapute na Canada.
According to you, the woman who what the case you what the case you but I cannot say much about that. Because it's not no mom, you may be low, mom, go see me. Egypt flights where be.
Okay, Egypt flight. Do you believe in love again?
Love, what type of love?
Original love or the na Canada?
Bishmoney, that's me, Monka. Bishmoney, not you as nothing. Original love, I do love, sorry. I don't think
original love had run a Canada.
Yes.
Ndị na watch 300 and
understanding and teamwork. Understanding and teamwork. Unless you lead the single, I want each lead the single, then natural love.
Okay. Obu na ị love, a man ị ga-adị single, but ị chọba teamwork, a man ị ga-anụ di.
And understanding.
And understanding.
Yes.
Kedu example of team guys, ọwụnụ na anala share this life. Mmekwo life 5 seconds mgbanyụ life. Ọwụnụ na anala share life. Thank you for ndị ka nkwọlụ ndị na-share aka. All the people now share my life. Thank you for the gift. Ndi na yem flower. Ndi na share the life. Chisomina. Ongo mbochi ikwulu okwu this keza for this thing. PR. Ego ne ka mmadụ ga-eji nweta PR. Anụ m na ọ na-agala ọnụ for Canada. Ego ne ka mmadụ ga-eji nweta permanent resident Canada.
Onye nọ n'iloko, onye nọ n'ime.
Onye nọ outside Canada, onye nọ Nigeria.
Almost like 6,000 or something. But the process here be good more expensive than ego niga. Process here the too much.
Okay.
You need it got no like 1 year or 2 years before I accept Togi.
Okay. Chisomina, inwe contact ga-akpọta nwu mmadụ Canada ka m make consultation n'ishi. Inwe contact.
Any contact. So the thing is, onye ya dem like obu na aka na-eme LMIA. Mana na le emezia. Before when one eme LMIA bụ all these companies like kasi onye nọgide kita omepe company nke ya. Or see na ọchọ ịkpọtasị ndị mmadụ from Nigeria, like skilled worker from Nigeria. Then onye apply ojili company ya. That's obu na government accept kwa company gị. Ijili company gị si na na-akpọta onye ebe alụlụ bọọlụ. And onye ya no under you for like 3 years, right? Yes. So yeah, then lemezia. Kita mazin new route apart from students. Students be the easiest kita. Nobody cheap, I'll say so. Mana PR, it's too much. You need to submit teacher too much.
Dependence kwa na aka na-emekwe dependent. Chisomina inwego permanent resident na Canada. Are you now a permanent resident?
Bishmoney, I don't want to disclose my status online.
Okay. Chisomina onye nwe permanent resident. Oga kpogote nwu mmadụ from Nigeria as die or as nwunye.
Yes. Like Obolozi sharp. Under 3 months they've gotten back to you, but now it's difficult. The only easy way that Obuna onye na batakita visitors visa they quite easy. Batazi maluki suemia. Right? When I visitors visa, you only mother like maybe only name graduation. Only senior family invite yagi.
Chisomina kemgbe ihe make graduation.
When am I going to? I've graduated. I finished school.
Mmadụ n'one ka ịkpọta na Canada through you since ịbata Canada.
My parents actually there, so there's no need.
Somebody sign ya afa gị na nwanne gị nwoke ma nwanne gị nwaanyị ị ga-akpọta nwunye na Canada with almost 20 million naira down, 10 million in your account. Ị akpọta nwu mmadụ na Canada n'afa gị, no problem. Melie bish ka bish dey happy. Ka mkpọrọ ofu onye kpee.
No.
Hey! This girl they destroy all my heart.
That one is the business. Hold your money. Let me hold myself. When you come here now, you come and show me shiggy.
Hey! Okay. Guys, double tap one. The problem about kwa no mwaya. Chisomina yesterday, I na-ekwu yesterday, amam na igente. I na-ekwu the problem about kwa no mwaya by actually settled down. But unna tuzi egwu. Olia.
I don't know. The thing is, understanding and teamwork fell out. One of the things, but also love. Like, if we can love one man, understand the lunya, and then again, in lunya kind anyway. I think marriage now was my relationship. Only one natural benefits. If I'm not benefiting from you, you're not benefiting from me. It's not gonna work.
That side, the marriage, that side, and the Nigeria, kedin keka de healthy.
Nigerian marriage is more healthy.
Hey, kai call Nigeria ka. Fire.
Nigeria marriage is more healthy from any fugo, like experiences around. So marriage sometimes is all the very difficult because because expectations are too high. Right? Why na choka dia ne expect ka dia nwuche ne help ya. Okay, ne expect ka nwunye ya nwuche na akwụ 50-50 or 50-70-30 or do you get so mana ọ bụ nọ na Nigeria mmadụ niile ma nọ nwaanyị na ka ihe niile gbasara like anything about taking care of the family bụ nwaanyị but nwoke bụ just iweta ego but n'ebe ọ bụgodị niile iweta ego iweta isi you must still help in one way or the other. So back to teamwork, like
yes.
Name.
Okay.
So yeah, all the difficult.
Child. Chisomina, he believe una 50-50. He believe una 50-50. The last time I could look
every time you're asking me this 50-50.
Yeah, do you believe in 50-50 in marriage?
I'm not going to do 50-50 with anybody.
You are not going to do 50-50.
I'm not going to do 50-50.
Are you sure?
I'm very sure. So the thing is, maybe Cassize Nadim, maybe one born kata pusizi lolo, right? Maybe one busy problem no I can take up and say, okay, for this period we can do 50-50, or for this period I can do 100%. About when I'm more camolo, na gaziolo, go on, go to first, na cholo, or less that, but now, obunina lolo, moana lolo, your pay. The highest I will do is 30. In fact, 30 is even too much. Highest I will do is if the things I know that I can do, I will do it. If you don't like it, forget it.
Okay. Chisomina, ụmụnwaanyị dị single na Nigeria elike. Ụmụnwaanyị Nigeria. Ụmụnwaanyị Nigeria dị single na Canada. Felili nne.
Single is it like marriage or relationship?
Not single. Because I'm not laughing. I'm not more single. Another God forgive me. I'm not Monday. The single. Only actually can tell a little bit of humor. Humor, sense of humor. Singleness na Canada.
Is it marriage wise or relationship wise?
Marriage wise, relationship relationship or no.
Okay, ndi na no belodi.
Di umwendo tu magol.
We are much. We are much. We are much.
Kedinda ye buzo nyela aka onu nwa no Canada ka ndị nke nọ na Nigeria ka enyelu na aka ni.
Enyelu ndị nọ Nigeria aka.
Before unu nwa.
Yes, because ndị nke dị single nọ na Nigeria, they are going through a lot.
Chai.
At least we are single and we are taking care of ourselves.
Chai.
And we have money now.
Chai. Chisomina ikuchego even niile, guys, ladies and gentlemen.
Smiling, maybe I'm single, but I'm smiling.
Chai.
But imagine you're not working, maybe it will be worse.
Chai. Onye de anything ma watala na comment. Onye obuna de anything mblock oyi mutu oyi. This life is not by.
No, sir. I have a boyfriend.
Yeah, you have a boyfriend. Okay, enyi nwoke ọ na-akpa ịchala isi dịka Achikude nwa.
On low cut.
On low cut.
Yeah.
Amamonyo. Meme wolo opoma wafi onu. Onye Nigeria, ka onye Canada.
Onye Nigeria, ọ bụ onye Abia State.
Before one mention ebe oya nwoke shi. That guy shilike nenube. That guy abulo 2 minutes man. Chisomuna. Or you give nwoke abulo a 2 minutes guy.
Which one is 2 minutes? What concerns 2 minutes? And
onye abụ before nwaanyị after na social media kwuo steeti ọya nwoke shi ọya nwoke ahụ o perform go duty abụlọ is not a 2 minute Chisomina that guy or 2 minutes man ka gịnị anọ okay biko nya gwa ya share ma ọsọ ka ọ pata mmanya enwekwe light at the end of the tunnel ị na-afụkwa light cha
yes, of course. Yes, it's light.
Now kwana yetego akiyota
Which one is Zukwani? Somebody said it to you in the comment section. Zukwani.
Mezuike even na eme aya na agbatukwa na etigo na edozikwe. So the last but not the least, nne kedu advice ị na-enye? Okay, onwe ihe ọzọ nche eju business wise. Onye na-send ihe na Canada like hair ụmụ nwanyị. Onye na-eme as a business send their hair from China, send their akwa ịmagolu na ọ na-enweta ego or something dị lucrative ka Canada ebe ụmụ nwanyị aba anya sendụlọ hair na ekpu onye ọbụla bịala na oke isi anyhow oke ịchafụ jebe ọlụ
Iche hair business, iche business hair na Canada. O man na that feel like that. Mmadụ na-echekwa na igote the hair. Apusigo bi wechi igote hair. So all once in a while, only chogodi igote hair maybe once in a year or 2 times in a year. So okay. I'm sure man that feel like that. And then aqua is aqua. There's no need now. When all the brands are here, so there's no need of Ile Aqua.
Okay. Chisomina, thank you so much for your time. We really appreciate you. Or you give one can boy in a phone now we can release you. Thank you so much. When they on a comment section like Chisomina, but the you like Jenna DM, you will be again. I work a quota. Opobunu kota. Yoyabula melili bie. One young guy for la comment and I'm hey. Okay, let's go. Guys, ladies and gentlemen. Abara yen bulu ne jeje. Go. Amami yoni munu ne jeje. Ndesi na like Chisomina Kali. Go to her DM, write her. A very good girl, write her. Mana owo kwa mo nwa ya yasa iwe on ya. All the proud of our relationship. All the proud of our relationship. Meanwhile, ladies and gentlemen, Kedi, achom travel update. And when they ncho kava send their request. I need ka people know obodo Igbo send their request. If not, nga like it can finish it. Enwe story nji. Ama chabun call unu. But nga like ka some people send their request. Let's talk about Ebeno. Overtaking is allowed. Yes, overtaking is allowed. Let's talk about Ebeno. And when experience you guys share with us, the viewers. And when experience you guys share with the viewers. And when you send the request. You want a camera, but you send the request. You want a camera, but you send the request. You have to go. Only people in can send the request who need a camera. Only people who gonna send the request, so people with camera. You have to go. Ghana update. Kenke Ghana update. Hello. Ti camera eh? Chisel, send the request. Chisel, send the request. Chisel, send the request. Guys, double tap on this live. Double tap on this live. Double tap on this live. Yeah, there you go. Double tap on this live. Kambugote producer. Producer, I like it. Kambugote because. Yeah. Chisel.
Sir.
Kevin, okay, no, no, sir.
No.
Okay. My brother.
The light on.
My brother, see the light on. People need to know your voice today. A lot of people, they go me and ask me, why you don't want to bring Cheso? Why you don't want to bring Cheso? Yeah. Guys, double tap on this live. Let's go. Double tap on this live. Okay, my brother, welcome. Because go ahead for KBC join now.
Esimu Netherlands, where I join.
Welcome, my brother.
Goodbye.
Yes. My brother in Netherlands. How long go you not go to Netherlands?
6 years.
You know, go 6 years from Bank land in Netherlands.
From UK.
From UK. KCV were no earlier from UK, where Jersey Netherlands. On a UK adroma.
Onwe ha na-ekwu na mmadụ ebijuo na ebijuru m si ebe ha pụọ.
Ibijugo na UK. How long go you be na UK, my brother?
7 years. Go akwụkwọ there. Lol there, then Tabazi.
7 years in UK, 6 years in. And how long go you catch in on Obodo Igbo before now?
10 years, get that broom up and now.
Plus or minus, each spend the 21 years abroad. My brother, can even cause so now most of our people are choosing in Nigeria general permanent.
Well, I don't know really, but for me, I'm working here in Nigeria. 20 million or 30 million in Nigeria now. I'm working body within 2 months or 3 months. I want to plan here of ma. And some of us will be saying na I just go say now commercial youth service. So most of us I'm a people do. I am here personally. My cousins and I could because if you need to go back and be successful, at least for me, I'm a man so it's not a problem.
Okay.
So before now, any demo to prepare myself, I got to go in doing whatever I want to do. Any demo that particular thing, you know, what I would like to do, and not years. So my own when dog are you know, depending on not the we don't know how about the only breadwinner in the family. So it's better than hand but we guaranteed money because they know but we legally now we're guaranteed money every month, regardless of how small or the. Then manobo in Nazi buy you go in a buy okay in Nigeria you got man now. If you take on $2,000, get a kitchen check you before you know it to Tisa. Case you're gonna buy, you're gonna go you because in a year, bandage one year. Man, Nigeria, goodness, it is us again a mayor, you know. And a bata, if you openly manage your mama, what a plan your ma 50 million each TPR within 6 months. Oh, yeah, when I move for do. I must move, okay, person, but I must move so able as now when they go, but that's not 6 months in the TPR. Now it is making sense.
Okay, so only with 50 million and I let me encourage Nigeria general.
Oh yeah, na man get a plan. Obu no cho iga China. O meshaga arrangement in ha. Mecha arrangement in fact, who go shop me in debe. Oh yeah, bona olega me invest. Ma obu no ko na Nigeria we dey share here get me great tisa ozugbo.
So the argument that na people na the money eji emegodu business na ndị na-ele business 30 million 40 million, that argument So many people are right by selling up their things, 40 million, name travel. Chisel, because that is the opposite of he may explain now, but that is the right.
Yes. Obuna, some people are Obuna Hashi, especially a lot of people na Mahabomu. The first thing I have Kerukis Chibia, Obuhano visiting Sena Mahamania. Monobuna Madibia, Obo for school, and went the right stay. The person will be able to enjoy it. Mobuno Kela and Lay Henny Nebaziki Bame hustling. That's one of Bunkin Elisinabo. You got to go. So, mana obuno any business, name seek of mananya business of ma. To be honest, must want to because I want to roll one now, even one I need to push guys about business, kita. And market time for Nigeria.
Chelly.
So, what can the thing do? In our machine in the market, our market is Nigeria because Nigeria can be virgin market. You got to go. So, but there, side they be, I go saturated. You know, so no quite near, but in Nigeria, in Nigeria, because Natiwan and Nihan and Native or Nigeria have contacted Natiwan and Nihan and more.